Registration is being done by Election Commission, right? Okay. So now what we'll
Now
do?
it really gives a
Now we are
clarity
waiting.
as far as candidates.
Yeah. Now what about our candidates are basically ready. I will finalize with the party. Once I discuss with the party in 2 days time, I will basically I will basically announce the names.
So your
Babush,
party candidates are almost ready.
My candidate, I got 2, 3, 4, 5. Many other.
कितने न्यू कैंडिडेट असले होते आणि पन्ने कितने होते रिटायर जातात
Percentage.
At least 50% at least should be there, no?
न्यू
50% new.
Yeah.
आणि
Huh? सगळे युथचा हात आहे.
No, but any,
50% रिटायर म्हणतात आता
We will be phased off, no? So we need to get new blood in.
so any reason 50% replace का?
What is that?
Any reason नया chance?
No, no, other people should be given a chance.
Babush, equally putting the panel, any impact will be there?
Baba, you just tell me one time. Last time, you have been following this election? Last time, were you there? Okay, last time also they have been. That's the reason I'm asking. You are asking me a question when you don't know the answer. So then last time also his panel was there. This time also he's there. So it's fine. We are fighting everyone. It makes no
कांग्रेस
difference.
सपोर्ट
Baba, see, I don't know about Congress. Everyone is free basically to put their candidates. So it is free for them to contest. It is, I believe, and I have got a confidence. I have got a confidence. Why I am talking about this confidence? I have got a confidence because I have got the support of the people that we are going to get all 30 out of 30. Okay? Thank you so much.